Hi children, I welcome you for the Soci class. In last class we discussed about Carnatic Wars. The first Carnatic War during the period 1746 to 1748. Second Carnatic War 1749 to 1754. Third Carnatic War 1756 to 1763. So about Carnatic War we discussed in last class. So today class we are going to discuss about Anglo-Mysore War. So there are four Anglo-Mysore War. So first Anglo-Mysore War during the period is 1767 to 1769. Second Anglo-Mysore War during the period is 1780 to 1784. Third Anglo-Mysore War during the period is 1790 to 1792. So fourth Anglo-Mysore War during the period is 1799. Okay. So this class we are going to detail study about Anglo-Mysore War. Fine children. So Mysore and its resistance to British expansion. So who is the ruler of the Mysore means Hyder Ali. So Hyder Ali against British expansion. Expansion means development. Okay. So roughly against by ruler of Mysore. So state of Mysore to prominence in the politics in South India under the leader of Hyder Ali. So is the ruler of the Mysore means Hyder Ali during the period 1760 to 1782. So after death of the Hyder Ali's son Tipu Sultan is the ruler of Mysore during the period 1782 to 1799. So in that period Hyder Ali's son Tipu Sultan is the ruler of Mysore. So next we are going to see about first Anglo-Mysore War. So causes. So causes means what is the reason, and next one is cause. Cause means how the war was happened, how the war it is going. Okay, so what is the reason for the first Anglo-Mysore War? So Hyder Ali growing power and his friendly relationship with the French became the matter of concern for the English East India Company. So in that period, Hyder Ali is a well-development king and he maintained the good relationship between the French East India Company. So this both also is not liked by English East India Company. Then the Marathas, Nizam and English three also made a triple alliance against the Hyder Ali. So this is the reason for the first Anglo-Mysore War. So once if you want to think in your mind how British captured in our country means mostly our Indian rulers not unity. Okay, so divide ruling policy is maintained by British East India Company. So if you see here also Marathas, Nizam, they both also Indian ruler and English. So this three team made alliance and against the ruler of Mysore Hyder Ali. Cause means after the war how it is happened the war. So Nizam with the help of British troops under General Joseph Smith invaded Mysore in 1767. So Nizam, who is the Nizam? So Hyderabad ruler they called as Nizam. Okay. So the Nizam with the help of British troops, General Joseph Smith, they started the fight Mysore in 1767. So Hyder Ali defeated English, but who won the battle means Hyder Ali. So Hyder Ali won the battle, he defeated the English and he captured Mangalore. Okay, Hyder Ali defeated the triple alliance of Marathas, Nizam and English East India Company and Hyder Ali captured Mangalore is one of the place. In March 1769, he attacked Madras and forced the English to sign the treaty on 4th April 1769. So in 1769, Hyder Ali attacked Madras and they made a treaty on 4th April 1769. So already we discussed what is called treaty. Treaty means compromise. So we are bringing one solution is called as treaty. So first Anglo-Mysore War ended with Treaty of Madras 1769. Okay. So next we are going to see about Treaty of Madras 1769. At the end of the war, the Treaty of Madras was signed between Hyder Ali and British East India Company. Okay, so first Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War, the end of the war, the treaty was signed between Hyder Ali and British East India Company. So both the parties returned the conquered territories. So what is the treaties means? Both the parties means British East India Company and Mysore ruler. So both also return the territories. What is called territories? Territories means place, and promise to help each other in the case of any foreign attack on them. So what is the treaty was made in the Madras means to return their territories, and any problem was available for English East India Company or Hyder Ali. So both also they want to help each other. So it is the Treaty of Madras in 1769. Okay. So next we are going to see about Second Anglo-Mysore War. So causes. Causes means, so what is the reason for Second Anglo-Mysore War, and cause means how the Second Mysore War was going on. It is the cause. Okay, so causes, the English did not fulfill the term of the Treaty of 1769. So what is the Treaty of 1769? The Treaty of Madras 1769. If any problem was arrival, both parties also should be help each other. It is the Treaty of 1769. But British not help to Hyder Ali. Okay, they not obey the treaty. So English did not fulfill the term of the Treaty of 1769. So when either territories were attacked in 1771 by Marathas, either did not get help from the British. Okay, in 1771, Marathas attacked the Hyder Ali. In that time, British East India Company not help to Hyder Ali. Okay, so they not obey the treaty. And next, what is the reason means? British captured Maghi. So in that period, British captured Maghi. So what, which is the place of Maghi? So Maghi is a French settlement. So it is come under the Hyder Ali. Okay, they didn't help to the Hyder Ali. At same time, British captured Maghi. Maghi is one of the place in French settlement. This place will come under the Hyder Ali. So it is the reason for the Second Anglo-Mysore War. Okay. So alliance by Hyder with the Nizam Marathas against the English in 1779. So in that time they made the alliance Hyder Ali, Nizam and Marathas. They made one alliance and against the English in 1779. Okay, so cause. So how it was Second Anglo-Mysore War started means in 1781 the British General Sir Eyre Coote defeated Hyder Ali at Porto Novo. So Porto Novo means it is one of the place. In Tamil the place is called as Parangipettai. Okay, so in 1781 the British General Sir Eyre Coote defeated the Hyder Ali, which is the place Porto Novo. After again the Mysore forces suffered another defeat at Solinagar. Okay, so first time the British defeated Porto Novo, and second places Solinagar also defeated by British East India Company. So Hyder Ali died of cancer during the course of the war. So during the Second Anglo-Mysore War, Hyder Ali died because of cancer. So after the death of Hyder Ali in 1782, his son Tipu Sultan became a ruler of Mysore, and Tipu Sultan against the English. So Tipu captured Brigadier Matthews. So Tipu captured Brigadier Matthews. So who is the Brigadier Matthews means he is the supreme commander of the British forces along with his soldier in 1783. Okay, so in 1783 Tipu Sultan captured Brigadier Matthews and British forces captured in 1783. So it is the main reason for the Tipu Sultan and British East India Company started the Third Anglo-Maratha War. Okay. Next we are going to see about Treaty of Mangalore 1784. How the Second Anglo-Mysore War ended means Treaty of Mangalore in 1784. So treaty means compromise, Mangalore means which place they made the treaty, and 1784 means which year they made the treaty. On 7th March 1784, the Treaty of Mangalore was signed between the two parties. So which parties? English East India Company and Tipu Sultan. So both agreed to return the conquered. Conquered means which territories they won. So it is conquered. So both agreed to return the conquered territories and also the prisoner of war. So end of the Second Anglo-Mysore War, Tipu Sultan arrested Supreme Commander and British forces. So this Treaty of Mangalore, they released the whom they arrested and they returned to the territories. Okay. So it is the Treaty of Mangalore in 1784. So thus Warren Hastings saved the newly established British dominion from the wrath of powerful enemies like Marathas and Hyder Ali. So in that time, when the British lost their colonies in America, so they lost their colonies in America, but Warren Hastings is the Governor General, but with help of Warren Hastings, they not lost any territories in India. Instead of they consolidated more territories in India. Okay, so it is the end of the Second Anglo-Mysore War. So next we are going to see about Third Anglo-Mysore War. Third Anglo-Mysore War. So causes. So causes means, so what is the reason for Third Anglo-Mysore War, and cause means how the war was happened. Okay, so Tipu was trying to seek alliance of foreign power against the English, and for that purpose he had sent his ambassador. So ambassador means the person to send the France and Turkey to make the alliance against British. So Tipu attacked on Travancore in 1789. So Tipu attacked Travancore in 1789, whose ruler was an ally of the British. So in that period, who is the ruler of the Travancore? The Travancore is the friendly relationship they are maintaining in British. Okay, you understand? So Tipu attacked the Travancore in 1789. Who is the ruler of the Travancore? He is maintaining the good relationship between British. So the English, the Nizam and Marathas, they made triple alliance and they against Mysore. They against Mysore. So cause. So Tipu fought alone, which continued for 2 years. Okay. So Tipu Sultan alone, a single person, he continued the war for 2 years. It was fought in 3 passes. This Third Anglo-Mysore War, it was continued in 3 passes. So the attack of the English under General Matthews failed. Okay, who attacked the English? The General Matthews failed. So in that time, therefore in December 1790, Cornwallis himself took the command of the army. So who is the head of the army means Matthews. But it was failed. So that Cornwallis take the responsibility to maintain the army in 1790. So Cornwallis captured all the ill fort which obstructed his advance towards Srirangapattinam. Okay, so English want to advance to capture the Tipu Sultan means some fort is in between the places. So that Cornwallis captured this all the fort obstructed. Which fort is obstructed problem? So obstructed advanced towards Srirangapattinam and reached near its outer wall of the Tipu Sultan. So Tipu felt desperate and opened negotiations with the English. So Tipu Sultan failed. Okay, so he can't win the war, and so that Cornwallis agreed on the Treaty of Srirangapattinam. So end of the war was Treaty of Srirangapattinam in 1792. Okay, because the British reached the Srirangapattinam and they captured Tipu Sultan. So this war was ended with the Treaty of Srirangapattinam. Okay, so this Treaty of Srirangapattinam in 1792. So Tipu surrendered half of his kingdom to the allies. Okay, so Tipu Sultan want to give half kingdom to the British East India Company is one of the rule. Second one is Tipu agreed to pay 3.6 crore for the rupee to the English as war indemnity and surrendered 2 of his son and hostage to the English. Okay, first rule is half of the kingdom should be given to the British East India Company. Second rule is Tipu Sultan want to give 3.6 crore rupees to the British East India Company. And third one is Tipu Sultan 2 sons should give to the English for prison. Okay, to arrest, they should give two son, Tipu Sultan's son. And the English occurred Malabar. So that English captured Malabar, Cork, Tindukal, and Baramakal. So Baramakal at present which place means Coimbatore and Salem. So it is the Treaty of Srirangapattinam in 1792. So this is end of Third Anglo-Mysore War. Okay. So next we are going to see about Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. During the period is 1799. Okay. So Tipu Sultan did not forget the humiliating Treaty of Srirangapattinam imposed upon him by Cornwallis in 1790. Okay, so what happened this Treaty of Srirangapattinam? So they pay the 3.6 crore and his son also hostage to the English, and half of the kingdom surrendered to the British East India Company. So Tipu Sultan did not forget this Srirangapattinam, Treaty of Srirangapattinam. So causes. So this is the main reason for the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So Tipu sought alliance with the foreign power against the English and sent ambassador. Ambassador means took one person to send to the foreign to ask against the British East India Company. So send the ambassador to Arabia, Turkey, Afghanistan and French. He tried to make the alliance with the foreign power. Okay. So Tipu was in correspondence with Napoleon, who invaded Egypt at that time. Okay, Tipu Sultan maintained the good relationship between Napoleon. So in that time, Napoleon captured Egypt. Okay, captured Egypt. So the French officer came to Srirangapattinam, where they founded the Jacobin Club. So French officer came to Srirangapattinam and they founded the new club. What is the name of the club? Jacobin Club. And they planted the tree of Liberty. So in that Jacobin Club, they planted the tree of Liberty. Liberty means freedom. So Hyder Ali became a freedom. So they planted the tree of Liberty. Okay, course. So Wellesley declared war against Tipu in 1799. So they against the war against Tipu in 1799. So the war was short and decisive. This war was ended with a very short period. So as planned, the Bombay army under General Stuart invaded Mysore from the west. So from the west side, Bombay army was captured, and the Madras army also led by the governor of General Brother Arthur Wellesley. So who is the governor of general in that period? Lord Wellesley. So who is the commander of the army means General Brother Arthur Wellesley. Forced Tipu to retreat to his capital Srirangapattinam. So on 4th May 1799, Srirangapattinam was captured by English East India Company. So Tipu fought bravely and was killed finally. So Tipu also against British East India Company, but our emperor also they supported to British East India Company. So how we can win? So that they lost their battle. So Tipu fought bravely, but he was killed by British East India Company. Thus ended the Fourth Mysore War, and the whole of Mysore lay prostrate before the British. Okay, after death of the Tipu Sultan, this Fourth Anglo-Mysore was end. Okay. Next, Mysore after the war. Mysore after the war. So English occupied Kannada after end of the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. The English occupied Kannada, Wayanad, Coimbatore, Tarapuram and Srirangapattinam. And Krishnaraja Wadayar of the former Hindu royal family was brought to the throne. Actually, who is the ruler of the Mysore means before Hyder Ali, Krishnaraja Wadayar, the dynasty only is the ruler of Mysore. But Hyder Ali is normal person. He defeated the Krishnaraja Wadayar and he captured the Mysore. Okay, the dynasty captured the Mysore. So after death of the Tipu Sultan, again the British East India Company gave the dynasty to Krishnaraja Wadayar is the Hindu ruler. Okay, but Tipu Sultan is a Muslim ruler. And Tipu family was sent to the fort of Vellore. Okay, so Tipu Sultan, they killed Tipu Sultan's son and the relation family. They sent to the fort of Vellore. Vellore is our Tamil Nadu. The border of Tiruvannamalai is Vellore fort. They sent to the Vellore fort. Fine children. So today class we discussed about Anglo-Mysore War. Okay. So recap. So first Anglo-Mysore War during the period 1767 to 1769. Second Anglo-Mysore War during the period 1780 to 1784. Third Anglo-Mysore War during the period 1790 to 1792. And fourth Anglo-Mysore War during the period 1799. Okay. So first Anglo-Mysore War and the Treaty of Madras 1769. The second Anglo-Mysore War and Treaty of Mangalore 1784. Third Anglo-Mysore War and Treaty of Srirangapattinam 1792. And fourth Anglo-Mysore War, they killed Tipu Sultan. Okay. Next, answer the following. Write in detail about first Anglo-Mysore War. Given detail about second Anglo-Mysore War. Write a note on third, fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So listen, when you are writing the answer, you should write Anglo-Mysore War, causes, okay, then causes, then treaty. So everyone should write in the detailed answer. Okay. So next we are going to see about current affairs. So today our current affairs is how many articles, parts and schedules are there in the Constitution of India. Okay. So there are 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. So which is our holy book? Our Constitution. Who is the father of Constitution? Dr. Bhimarao Ramji Ambedkar is the father of our Constitution. So in our Constitution there are how many articles? 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. Okay, fine children. I hope you understood this session very well. So this class will be continued in the next video. Thank you.